Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we are here at Bay Park for D1NZ. My car is here, but it is not, well, not me driving it anyway. It's just here as a spare car for the boys, mostly Ra. Hopefully he obviously doesn't need it. Harper's down here playing with the horses. Say hi, mate.
Hi.
Yeah, the kids are down here. Charlie's over here doing some drawing and stuff. But yeah, some of the dramas that we've only just turned up recently. It is windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But some of the dramas that the boys are having today already, since I've turned up, there's been a few crashes. There's some fires and crashes last night. These boys have got some shit going on. The fucking subframe gave out. So our bro Steve over here, old Top Fab's just fucking bird shitting her up. Fuck it, it's gonna work. Yeah, so that's what you get when they steal our corporate box, eh? The fucking motor falls out. Hey, the boys will be on later, don't you worry. So yeah, Steve from Top Fab over here, just helping them out, making sure it's gonna work. Fucking stronger than ever, boy. Jesus. Yeah, well, it needs to go a bit harder, but only a small little one. Hey, it's better than nothing. Alright, so yeah, let's cruise up the pit lane and see what's going on. This is out the back. Yeah, it's good to catch up with everybody and yeah, be here. I've got the kids, but the kids will be going to their grandparents later on, and then we'll be back for qualifying. So Harper's down there. Hi.
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 Yeah, I'll just be there. Actually,
Hey mate.
when you go up practice, I'll wait up
Oh,
there.
crew chief over here, talking shit. Hey, that's a nice skid lid you got there, man.
Yeah.
Fuck, it stinks, eh? Ratchet for you, my bro. Yes, they are in that plastic bucket in the back of the van with the tripod on it. Yeah, so Ra thought he'd be just the man and show everyone up with a fucking gangster wing from old Pete Drever. Holy shit. Yeah, and then this is the car that the fucking subframe fell out of. Jeez, Andy. Should have got Auntie to get one from the grocery store, my bro. So yeah, Ra's got the setup for the day. Got out my link tent, so that's man. Looking good. You better not fucking suck.
I'll hit the wall.
Okay, shot, bro. I got a spare car for him anyway, he'll be right. You tell me your story.
So they leave the
Does the horse float stay there?
yeah, because the horse and this horse is new to the farm, and
Oh, they're new to the farm. They don't know anybody. Okay.
and then
Does the cow stay over there by himself? Or herself?
yeah,
Yeah.
herself, and then other cows kind of are from her farm.
Oh, okay. So which ones are the new ones? Have you got friends? Have they made friends yet?
That one has got that friend,
Okay.
and then that one's got that friend.
Okay, that's good. Alright, we'll come and check in on you later, eh?
Little kids,
Oh,
that one,
they all play together?
Yeah, they all play together, and then the adults have a talk
Okay.
about the kids.
Alright, well that's good. High five. Love you.
Bye.
You're in police. No.
Fuck, I've seen you pump yourself harder than that, bro. Come on. Fuck. So we're gonna go watch Stocky and Ra. Earmuffs for the kids up in the stands. Tay's here. Finger. It's gonna be a good day. There's Pickett. Yeah? Bye. And here's Sean. Ra had a shit run, but we'll go see what he's up to. G'day, mate.
How are we?
You better do good.
Oh, this is the plan, eh?
All of this. Right, yeah, so fucking shit's going on. Ra's car's parked over here. He's blown third gear. So now Big Bird gets the call up. We're going to try and get him out for one practice before qualifying. I think they got one more practice. He's going to try jump in line here. The boys are sorting it out. We've got the seat going in. And then I'll get in there and do these belts. And yeah, just give it a check. Run no front bumper so it doesn't get so hot. Just for now, just for get a practice under, and we'll get everything sorted after that. Got to use the car, man.
Oh, true. You blow the SR up.
Gearbox.
Oh, fuck, get it.
Who is that?
You know what you're doing?
Oh, chill, my bro.
You know how to do this properly.
Nah, bro, I'm just winging it.
I thought you were here to drive, bro. What the fuck's going on?
Nah, Big Bird's always a substitute, Margie. Sweet, so we've checked fluids, we've checked everything. Big Bird's kind of ready to go. We've put my old seat in because Dawson actually bought my seats and harnesses and took them away. We've put Ra's steering wheel on because it's further away from him because it sits too close. The seat's quite close, his knees are going to be up, but fuck, he's going to have to deal with it. Thank you, my bro. Sweet. Sure, brother, appreciate it. Yeah, so Nick's in here sorting that out. We've done the belts double wrapped. Clint's here giving us a hand as well. The girls are on. Harper's got a new pencil case. Charlie's happy, she's got a Sprite. Give me 19. Yeah, bro. Maui lost third gear, Margie. Alright. I think this is kind of ready to go. We're just got to get someone to screw near it. And we're alright. That's a him problem, my bro. It's gonna be alright.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, it's a cunt, you gotta keep fucking revving it while it's cold. At idle's real low. Oh, yeah, boy.
What are you doing?
Rah. Nick's got a jack, so we'll chuck it in gear and... Yeah, bro, bang a gear. Yeah, your way. Borrow's on, dog. Hey, you can't really get that much worse.
Well, you're not wrong.
That's a fucking sweet ride, man.
Are you letting him fucking thread it?
Yeah, please do. So fuck, just jump in there, boy, and let's have a turn and see what happens.
Good.
The bro's over here pleading his case to let him do a mechanical behind the pros, or with the pros, whatever. We good? No go?
He reckons they're probably going to say nah, but he said he'll try. try.
Fingers are crossed. Oh yeah. Look at him. Well, I got one.
Yeah, looks sick.
I got one the other day.
I got one.
Yeah. Look at the setup.
This is a GoPro that you need.
Yeah. That's hardly pro, brother.
What, this?
Oh, Matty G's here too. He's having a go at D1 for once. It's sick. Car's looking mean. This car's looking like shit, but oh well. Right there, crew chief. Oh, you just need my suit on and you look like me. Same colour and all. Oh. Let's see how this goes. Look at these fellas, 20B goodness. We actually dipped this car in my work, so that's pretty cool. Ah, look at this mean ass car, boy! Fuck, I hope it's alright. Come on, Big Bird, fucking play the ball, boy. It's like the most nervous shit I've been. Oh, are they going to let him or nah? Oh, he's getting told. Let him do a lap. Yeah, boys on. Come on, come on. Yes! Oh, he did, second and third.
Get back on, get back on.
Come on, baby. All good? Come on, brother. Holy thank fuck. Okay, we survived. Was that all good?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boys. She's a good old girl, eh? Just let her get down to like 90 or something. So yeah, Ra was happy with that. Car still holding together. Oh yeah, needs window nets too. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yep. Brother Buns on the window nets.
He's like, bro, you're gonna have to wind twins off. I was like, bro, nah. And he's like, bro, just a little bit hard, dude.
Oh, say I don't know where the switches are. We on. All good, Charlie? Ra did alright? Yeah? Oh, you got your good shirt on though, eh? To support him? Thumbs up. Alright, so yeah, Ra's just lined up in line ready for another practice. So we're gonna go and yeah, go check that out. and make sure that he does alright, and we'll be good. The Worthington Towing and Transport boys are on. Got Charlie back in his old car, I guess. And Jordan and Sean. Bra's back down there with Matty J. And Dan was actually meant to be driving my car as well, but he they managed to fix it and put it back together after his crash at Pookie. So yeah, unfortunately, while we're waiting for this, Charlie's hit the wall. He's driving yeah, his old car, whatever. Oh, dropped the guard off it. Oh no. Fucking hell, man. Bloody hell. The car, he said the car cut out on him. And then that sent him into the wall, so that sucks. So Sean's out here, it's just started raining, so we'll see how this goes. He's an animal. He's a fucking... Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Lucas.
And who's your dad?
Charlie.
And what does he drive? Same car as that? Looks like that. I got a bit burnt. Yeah, so that was all good. He fucked up one of the runs, but that was fine. Good practice. The car's still loving it. He did tap the wall on the way back, coming back on the last corner around the wall. So I'm just gonna have to. He gave me a wet willy. Oh, it's about to piss. It's pissing down. And yeah, he hit the wall a little bit, so I'm just gonna have to bill him for the whole rear end. So yeah, but we'll see what he reckons, and yeah, go from there. How was that?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, you fucking running the wall, cunt. I'm gonna bill you for the whole lot. Nah, man, bro, that was all good?
Yeah, the locks fucking nothing.
Nah, nothing like Wise Fair, babe.
Yeah.
I
was like, oh no, not too bad. And then dunk.
Yeah.
This one now.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
It's gonna blow over, bro.
Yeah, it'll fucking piss everyone off, and it'll be alright.
Lucky I got that right.
Yeah, you snuck that one in, and now everyone's fucked. Mean. Happy with it though?
Yeah, bro, it's all good.
Hey, it's cooling down, mean. Yeah. Sweet. All good.
Cheers, brother.
Poor old bitch. Mean. Yeah, so, okay, so that's a tail light, a guard, a fuel cap. So yeah, just as I was giving Brass shit, the fucking camera died. But cuz man, I'm stoked for him that it's able to do this, and yeah, everyone's saying, oh, you're a good cunt. I'm like, bro, it's all good, man. Old crawler's parked up over here, looking all sad. And yeah, time to take these kids home, take them back to their nanas, say goodbye. So yeah, just dropped the kids off at their grandparents. Yeah, huge thanks to Robin and Brian, Andrea's dad, for having them for this weekend. Obviously it's too hectic to have them at the track, pretty dangerous, and just so much going on with yeah, obviously now, especially now that my car's being used, I want to be able to be there, and not that I fucking do much, but yeah, just to kind of keep an eye on everything. And yeah, it's pretty hard for them, and they just get a bit tired and bored, and so be it. So yeah, huge thanks to Robin and Brian. But yeah, it's going to be sick. We're just heading back to the track now, and yeah, we'll get into qualifying. So yeah, should be good. Ra's loving it. I'm super stoked that it's out there and he's able to continue. Yeah, he's not on the points or anything, but it just is cool to get back out there and yeah, make sure that he's in there doing it. So just got back to the track, and this is like the graveyard, I guess, of the cars that aren't getting used now. Andy's parked his one up, and yeah, obviously Caller's parked up. The boys are on. We're gonna Andy's using his old car from last year, his V8 S14, and yeah, Raz using mine, so should be good times. Swing. You all good?
Yeah. Last practice in qualifying, brother.
Yeah, roger. Fucking mint. Fuck, I love this thing. The bros are on. Good boy. Oh, super stoked. That was his last practice run before qualifying, so we'll run back, get tyres changed, get the car in and sorted for scrutineering as well. They haven't done it yet, so we've got to fix a few things on the car, but it should be sweet. And yeah, I'm just super pumped that he's out there and yeah, doing it. So it's going to change wheels. I might put the front bumper on because I think it looks better for qualifying and shit like that. So yeah, we'll give him chuck our front bumper on. And was that alright? Sweet. So in my van, I'm just going to give the old windscreen a little bit of a wipe down. I think it's on the inside, like it's actually shitty on the inside. But yeah, fucking hell, who would have thought? Mean. But yeah, nah, not at all. It just looks like me last year. Link 10, some stands out the front with my new wheels on. So you realise that those cost you your drive, yeah? Hey, I get these. But yeah, fucking man, sun's just sitting over there. We're in for a hell of a night. Come on, Ra.
Of course, that's the edge. Also, Phoenix, thanks for the fire.
strawberry box that he and Ra won. Mint. So here comes Maddie J.
We're seeing more sunroofs now at D1NZ. Bit of ventilation.
Let him go.
Good thinking.
Here he goes. Come on, Ra.
Joyce for the 78. Sean Potter for the 76.5.
Alright, so the pros are about to go out and do their qualifying. I think they get a practice each, I think, then they do a qualifying. But yeah, Ra qualified 9th, which is good, and Andy qualified 4th, which is mint. So because there's 22 drivers, the top 9, or 23 drivers, the top 9 get a bye. So yeah, which is mint. So Ra gets a bye into the top 16. And then yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow, see who he's got to battle once the top 24 is done, and it'll be sweet. So no damage as of yet, and yeah, the boys are sweet. Not bad there, Junior.
Yeah.
So you're 9th, Andy's 4th, and got a bye to the 16.
Oh, true.
Yeah. So yeah.
Who do I get?
I don't know, you'll get whoever they battle in the top 24. Man.
School's very consistent, eh?
I'm very iffy. But how good does it look? Yahoo! Just doing a few ideas on, because this thing's getting so fucking hot. But we're just going to cut this off, trim it around there, trim it around there. So it's got a bit of direct flow.
Sorry, Tim.
No, we can't, because it's fucking, that's what holds the radiator in.
Oh, fuck's sake.
You've got to keep that, so we'll just trim that around there. Alright, so we're going to pack up here. We've got a few plans on keeping the car cool. We will do that tomorrow. So we're going to pretty much just pack everything up, get home, have a bit of a rest, try and have an early night, because it's going to be a big night tomorrow night after the drifting. So yeah, for now the car is doing us proud, and I'm super stoked that we're out here doing it. And yeah, Ra's loving it. So yeah, we will check up with everybody in the morning. We're all fucking tired and over it, and yeah, we'll do some modifications and stuff tomorrow. But so we were going to do this in the morning, but Steve is just straight onto it. So what are we going to do? Take up, geez, Scotty. We're going to take the cut all the cable ties.
Take the shrouds off, cut the cable ties, get the fans out.
We got this gangster Milwaukee light. Hey, what?
That'll do the job, though.
Sweet. Yeah, Clint's here as always, helping us out. Oh, you like this yellow car, man?
No, it's pretty cool, mate.
Show you my engine. That video is bad, man. Sweet. So the shroud and fans are coming out. It's gonna be fucking warm, boy.
You got a screwdriver?
All good? I'm not doing it. It's not using it, eh? Nah. It's just circulating hot as fuck. But so yeah, what we're gonna do is we'll trim off Sam's piece. What do you want? Oh.
Pretty good at setting them on top of stuff. You can do that, but yeah.
Nothing, because no, nothing's going in this car because the video's on. But the shroud is out. Shut the fuck up. The shroud is out, and what we're gonna do is probably put one of these fans behind the intercooler, because the intercooler's blocking half the shit, and then put the big. And Nick's got a big fan that we'll pick up tomorrow or tonight, and put that in the back, and it should do well. We'll cut off Sam's little piece there too, and then yeah, that'll be us. So hopefully that keeps it cool enough.
I'm gonna video it.
Hurry up, eat your cake, man. Fuck. Now, gives it a bite, G. Gives a bite, G. Holy fuck. Oh.
Pass it around.
Hey?
Would you like a bite? I just love it.
No.
That's actually really I told you.
I still like chewing gum.
Not bad.
Good, bro. Is that how you banana cake, is it?
Yep, that's how you banana cake, my bro.
Full mouth.
It's a lot of things.
Like, like dick.
Straight in.
Full noise. What's that? I'll fucking eat your dick later, cunt. We're just eating some fucking banana cake, bro. Chill out. Yeah, for now, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for following our journey here. It's been a hell of a day, and it's going to be awesome tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next video. Cheers, guys. Catch ya.